Yo, what's up, my peeps? We've got a microphone today. Hopefully it's a bit more clearer. We're rolling. Yeah, man. Why does my bike sound cammed? Go see the missus. Yeah, for some reason I bought this mic recently. It seems to be giving me a bit of a list. But we'll see. I've tried to change the settings down, so I don't know what it's gonna sound like. Looking good, boy. I hear him. Where is he? There he is. Active in the levers, come on. Place you wanted to go?
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
We'll go there. Do you know the way to go? Because I don't know where to go.
Yeah, I know it's the road.
Yeah?
On the way, yeah.
Alright, cool. Active. Let's go. Dave's outfit is so cool. I'm not a pink guy, but oh my god, my fucking back wheel locked up. What the fuck? My front brake is sticking so bad. We're gonna take a nice steady ride, aren't we, Dave? We're not gonna go crazy. Oh god. Yeah, I don't know these roads at all. Where's he going? Yes! You're gonna give me a break, man! Jesus! Right, I think I've woken up a bit now. Oh my god. Got a Fiesta with a gay wing on it. Look at this, boys. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's so windy! Woo! Coppers. Oh my god. Timed that right, didn't we? Hello. My riding today is terrible. He likes the bike. You should get one.
That's all my life.
Here we go again. Away from me! Oh, hello. I love the R1Ms. I love the Aprillias. And these two just left me for dead! Christ. Now I'm hot and cold. Big up Fast Dan, whoever the fuck you are. You know the rules. Oh shit, we're turning right here. Where is it? Huh?
I went the wrong way.
Yep. Wrong way again. So yeah, we got lost again, but we know where we're definitely going now. I love this bike too much. Might not be as quick, but we're going past it again. Well, we've never been here before. So we've just been to Completely Motorcycles, and funnily enough it rained. Fucking hell, it's windy as shit, boys. Why does my mirror keep folding over? What the fuck's he doing right behind me? Fucking idiot. Oh, for fuck's sake, here we go again. Well boys, I can't feel my finger no more. I need to upgrade in some new gloves. I've got some that I want actually, but I just ain't bought them yet. I didn't even realise these were stunt riding summer gloves. This fucking mirror doing my bloody Sweden. Hello, sexy. Bad boys in a London, rude boys in a Kingston. Oh, it smells lovely round here. I'm gonna throw up in my helmet. Shish kebab! I don't know why I keep saying that. Fucking stones! Launching stones at me! Wanker! Where's he going? He's gonna have to merge back in. What? What was the point in that? I can't feel my fingers right now. Gimme, yeah. One time. Whoa! How you feel? That don't surprise me. Shalom, Jackie! Yeah, you'll see more content of us going down here when it warms up at the Old Vic by night. I'm cold, boys. We've left Dave. Catch you in the next one. Peace.